is Vasundhara and this is my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do slime with Dynamo. So let's get started. So I'm going to need a bowl, a spoon, a glue, and orange color because I'm going to make my slime orange, and Dynamo. Dynamo is like one fab that you can find in stores. First, I'm going to do some glue. Let's open this first. Okay, I'm going to pour a lot of glue to this. So this much glue, and I'm going to put Dynamo. I'm only going to try to put it a bit. Let's see how it goes. As you guys can see, it's working. And I want to put more until it's not sticking to the bowl. And it's not sticking to your arm. That should be good. To your hand. I'm so proud. And this is good. See? See, it's kind of good. I tell that. Well, it's okay, I guess, but it's still sticking on me. Need Dynamo a little bit more because I don't like sticky slime. I prefer this, but I don't want it. I'm going to put Dynamo on me. And now I'm trying to flame it. Cover it. I'm picking up from my bowl. My bowl was okay, and I'm previous. Guys, it's the best. See? Well, I love my one, and now I'm gonna use this little bit. Hold on. I'm going to use this little bit. Then I want to do this kind of slime. So my slime will be this. See? This slime is the best that I did this time. See? Where it's all around, I want to clean my bowl. She's sticky a bit, but I don't mind. This is my slime. The best. Okay, this is all from me. I love my slime. It's the best, I guess. Okay, have you guys seen my video? My new video that calls the Wild Side song. I hope you guys see that. And I see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.